Again we have made a ponytail. Now we are putting this ribbon on the first portion. Again we are using the ribbon, and so you will get this kind of hairstyle is done. Now just finishing it up with this thin rubber band. So I hope you like the video. Thank you for watching. Again we have made a ponytail. Now using this ribbon and making a braid like structure. Now putting the each side of the ribbon's braid like this over the ponytail, you will get this kind of hairstyle is ready. Beautifully done. In the next, here we are making a ponytail, side ponytail. Now making a bun like structure. So just dividing the hair into two parts and twisting it up and securing it with this same clip. In the next, here we have done with ponytail. Now dividing the hair into the four like this using the ribbon and flipping it up in this way. Doing the same with the rest. Now just rolling it up so it will shape like a bun. So here we are basically making a bun. Now putting the clip on the behind. It's ready.